Hisense has been shaking up the TV game, delivering incredible performance without the jaw-dropping price tag. And in 2025, they've taken things to a whole new level. From OLED-like blacks to mind-blowing brightness and even cutting-edge gaming features, these TVs are designed to impress without emptying your wallet. Today, we're counting down the best Hisense TVs of 2025, from the ultimate flagship models to the most budget-friendly gems that still pack a punch. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description for the best deals on all these TVs. Ready? Let's go! If you're hunting for a great Hisense TV that doesn't empty your wallet, the Hisense A7N is where you want to start. This TV is all about simplicity, affordability, and surprisingly solid performance for the price. Now, let's keep it real. You're not getting the crazy advanced local dimming or OLED-like blacks we see on the premium models. Blacks here lean more grayish when bright highlights are on screen, so it's not the ultimate darkroom TV. But for the price, it handles glare like a champ and performs well in a moderately lit room. That means daytime sports, news, and streaming will look absolutely fine. You still get 4K resolution with Dolby Vision HDR, plus DTS audio pass-through for an immersive sound experience. That's a big deal in this price bracket. And if you're a gamer on a budget, the A7N still supports VRR, variable refresh rate, and delivers low input lag, so your games will feel smooth. If you just want a basic, reliable 4K TV that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Hisense A7N is a solid choice and one of the best cheap TVs of 2025. If you've got a little extra to spend but still want incredible value, let me introduce you to the Hisense U6N, the budget hero in Hisense's ULED lineup for 2025. This model is the perfect balance of affordability and premium features, making it a great pick for anyone who wants to step up from entry-level without jumping into premium pricing. The U6N packs in 4K ULED technology, quantum dot color, and full HDR support, including Dolby Vision and HDR10+. What does that mean for you? Bright, vibrant colors and contrasts that pop off the screen. And while it's not as bright or as punchy as the U7N or U8N, it still gets bright enough to handle glare in a well-lit room, and the local dimming does a solid job delivering deep blacks in a dark space. Sure, it's not OLED level, but for this price, it's impressive. Gamers, listen up. You won't get 144 Hz or HDMI 2.1 here, but you do get VRR support and a smooth experience at 4K 60 Hz. The Hisense U6N is the sweet spot for budget buyers who still want that big screen cinematic feel and gaming features without spending thousands. This is one of the best bang-for-buck TVs on the market right now. If you've ever admired Samsung's Frame TV but didn't love the price tag, Hisense's S7 Canvas is your affordable alternative. And honestly, it looks stunning. This TV is designed for people who want a centerpiece in their living space that looks like art when it's off and delivers great performance when it's on. The S7 Canvas features a matte-like screen and wooden-style frame, giving it that elegant, gallery-like appearance. When you're not watching, you can display digital art or photos, transforming your wall into an art showcase instead of a giant black rectangle. Specs-wise, this TV holds its own. You get 4K resolution, QLED technology, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ support for vibrant colors and detailed contrast. Gamers will appreciate the 144 Hz refresh rate, which is fantastic for fast-paced action and smooth motion, whether you're gaming or watching sports. It's not going to compete with Hisense's top-tier U8N in terms of peak brightness or color accuracy, but it looks great in most lighting conditions. If you're looking for a design-first TV that still packs solid performance for movies and gaming, the S7 Canvas is a conversation starter that looks way more expensive than it is. If you've cut the cord and live in a streaming world, the Hisense QD6 is hands down the best pick for you. It's built for people who want a smooth streaming experience without the clutter of extra devices. Right out of the box, you get Google TV, which means instant access to all your favorite platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, and thousands more. Picture-wise, the QD6 punches above its price point. It uses quantum dot technology for richer, more vibrant colors than a standard LED. And with Dolby Vision HDR, you'll see sharp contrast and detailed highlights in every scene. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or diving into a blockbuster movie, this TV delivers solid clarity and brightness for most living rooms. Audio isn't left behind either. It comes with DTS Virtual X, which gives you clearer dialogue and a more immersive sound without needing an expensive soundbar. Now, it's not designed for hardcore gamers. It sticks to a 60 Hz refresh rate and lacks HDMI 2.1. But for everyday streaming, sports, and casual gaming, the QD6 is a rock-solid choice. Plus, its clean interface and smooth navigation make it one of the most user-friendly Hisense TVs on the market. If you're looking for the sweet spot between price and performance, the Hisense U7N is the mid-range TV that absolutely crushes expectations. It's one of those TVs that feels premium without breaking the bank. And here's why. First, let's talk picture quality. The U7N uses a mini LED backlight with full-array local dimming, which means you get deep, rich blacks and outstanding brightness. Movies in a dark room look fantastic, and even in bright rooms, this TV handles glare like a champ. Add in quantum dot color, Dolby Vision IQ, and HDR10+, and your colors are vibrant and lifelike. Gamers, you'll love this. The U7N packs HDMI 2.1, supports 4K at 144 Hz, and has VRR and ALLM, so you're getting smooth, tear-free gameplay with low input lag. Whether you're on PS5, Xbox Series X, or even PC gaming, this TV can keep up with you. And if you're into smart features, it runs Google TV, giving you all your favorite apps and voice control through Google Assistant. For the price, the U7N is an absolute beast. It's perfect for gamers, movie lovers, and anyone who wants premium features without the premium price tag. If you want the absolute best Hisense TV in 2025, the crown goes to the Hisense U8N. This TV isn't just good, it's a showstopper, delivering flagship-level performance at a price that still undercuts the competition. The U8N features mini LED technology with full-array local dimming, giving you OLED-like black levels and insane peak brightness that makes HDR content absolutely pop. Watching movies in Dolby Vision or HDR10+. Prepare to be blown away by the contrast and color accuracy. Everything looks bold, vivid, and razor-sharp. And let's talk brightness. This TV is a beast in well-lit rooms. Glare? Doesn't matter. Sunlight pouring through the windows? Bring it on. The U8N handles it all with outstanding reflection control and enough nits to light up any space. Gamers, this is your dream TV. We're talking 4K at 144 Hz, HDMI 2.1, VRR, and ALLM for buttery smooth, low-lag gaming. Pair it with your PS5, Xbox Series X, or a high-end gaming PC, and you'll never go back. For most people, the U8N is the perfect balance of performance and value. It's the Hisense TV that sets the bar in 2025. And that's our roundup of the best Hisense TVs of 2025. Whether you want the ultimate picture quality with the U8N, a stylish centerpiece like the S7 Canvas, or the best budget option with the U6N, there's a Hisense TV here for everyone. Which one are you picking up? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals on all these TVs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.